Cretaceous bird, your giant claw, no lime from bark of holly bruised or mistletoe could have arrested, could have held you so through 50 million years of jostling time. Yet cradled with you, in the Catholic slime of the young ocean's tepid lapse and flow, slumbered an agent, weak in embryo, should grip you straightly in its sinewy prime. What bright collision in the zodiac bruise? What mischief dimples at the planet's core? For shark, for python, for the dove that coos under the leaves? What frosty fates in store for the warm blood of man? Man, out of ooze but lately crawled, and climbing up the shore.
Hi everyone, thanks for watching Graveyard Poetry. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And join us next week for another classic poem. See you then.